Okay, this is making Thor snore. Never mind. Okay, take your finger off. And now he's fine. He's not snoring. Okay, do it again.